let's take your problem. You can narrate it to me. It will be easy for me. I'll just do solver questions. Okay. Tell me the first question. Okay. Subtract. Okay. P into P square plus P minus 7 bracket close plus 5 from. So we have to subtract this. Okay. So I'm just writing the question like this. This has to be subtracted. Subtract from. Subtract 2 from 8. So it should be 8 minus 2. Is this process clear? Then subtract from where? Tell me. 3p square minus 8. So we have to subtract this, right? This where p is equal to minus 3. That we will do at the last. Let's do some subtraction part. So, and children, anyone getting stuck up, don't talk, huh? Please put up the question to me. So this is what we have to do. Shall we do it? Okay. Let me put it on record. Okay. So this becomes 3p square. There is no issue. And this becomes 8. Fine. And then I keep my minus. I first attend to this bracket. It would become a p cube plus a p square minus 7p plus 5. Right. In my next step, what I do, I start opening up that bracket. So it's a 3p square minus 8 minus p cube minus p square plus 7p minus 5. Is this understood? In my third step, I write it in the descending order with all arranged. So there's no more p cube. So only one p cube, but a negative p cube. Agreed? This is a 3p square. This is a p square, which becomes a 2p square. So I write a 2p square, right? And this term is over, beta. This term is over. This term is over, right? Then I've got a 7p. So I write my 7p out here. And minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. Have we understood? Now it is no more simplifiable. So now I will inject my value of p. Value of p. What is the value of p given, Bitu? Minus 3. So it will become a negative of negative 3 whole cube plus 2 into a negative 3 whole square plus 7 into a negative 3 minus 13. Is this understood? Okay. Negative 3 cube is 3, 3, 9, 3, 27 negative. So negative into negative 27, right? Negative 3 square is 9. So this becomes 2 into 9. This is minus 21 minus 13. Can we now wrap up all together? This is a 27. With that, I'm adding how much? 18, then minus 21, minus 13. So 27 minus 21 makes it easy, is 6. 6 plus 18 is 24. 24 minus 10, 14. 14 minus 3, 11.
I did it direct.
No, anyway, it is correct, but answer we should get same. So just check the answer at the end of the day. This is, have you understood this? Getting recorded. Achha, anyone struggling, just let me know. For your kind information, remember children, you are doing direct variation. So in direct variation, you have got x becomes x1, x2, x3, and y will be y1, y2, y3, and so on. In direct variation, always the ratios are same. Means x1 upon y1 will always be equal to x2 upon y2, will always be equal to x3 upon y3, should always be equal to this x upon y. This is the technique that we use. This is happening because you know why it happened. You understood that day. In the whole week, you did not revise this. Why you did not revise? You don't have content with you. You don't go to the video. Why? See, there is a difference. In your school, do you get a video recording? No. You are privileged to get a video recording. So you should go and then study, go back home, go to the class notes, see the video, and then start making it. Where do you see the video? You know, in Orbit Mall, there is PVR. You buy a ticket, there these movies are shown. I will not say again. I have told you many times. Scroll your grandmother's mobile also. I told you when you had not joined me also, I had sent YouTube links. I told you there is all them are available on YouTube. You being my student, don't follow it. Akash, who is here from Pune, look at him. When he was not my student also, he could see videos. Now are you understanding where your drawback is? You stay in my same apartment and you don't know. But he was in Pune. That's how he came in contact. He used to comment on my videos when we did not knew each other. I don't know him. I've never met this boy before. I have met his maternal uncle has been my college junior. That's the only connect we have. Nothing more than that. I've never seen him. But how did he get to see videos? And why are you not able to see? No. You see your girlfriend's WhatsApp. Chalo, isko baat karna na. He irritates me like anything. Okay. This question is done. Let's go to the next question. Tell me.
The product of x is 1 by x.
Okay. X plus 1 by x.
1 plus 5 by x.
You are still nasal by your voice. Means you still have it. Then
Plus 25 by x cube.
25 by this product you have to find out. It's a typical binomial being multiplied with a trinomial, right? So how we should do? We take out one of the players from here and rate this bracket. Agreed? Then this sign automatically comes up, and then this player comes out and he goes to the den of the opponent for raiding. Kabaddi, kabaddi. Now let's play kabaddi, kabaddi. X into 1 is x. 5 by x will give me a 5 because x cutting. This will give me how much? 25 by x. Very good. X square. Here we will get a 1 upon x. Here we will get a 5 by x square. And here we will get a 25 by x to the power 4. Just look out for some similar terms, and in increasing order of degree. X is the biggest degree actually. So we have an x. 25 by x square. Then you have a 1 by x. Okay. So actually after this should come 5. This is x to the power 1, 5x to the power 0, then x to the power minus 1, which is 1 by x. Then these two add together makes it 30 by x square. And then I'm left with 25 by x to the power 4. Now, if you are interested to make it look more beautiful, then it is x plus 5x to the power 0 plus x to the power minus 1 plus 30 x to the power minus 2 plus, need not do this step, but it just looks in the order of decreasing degrees. Have you understood? It looks stylish. Otherwise you can leave here also. Are this clear to you? Okay. Anyone other also who is following these sums and want to have it as an interest? I don't mind. Yeah, next question. Okay, tell me, simplify. This is simplify. Simplify means the raita would be spread on the floor. You are supposed to assemble everything. Okay, so what is simplify? A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, A minus B, plus B minus C, C minus A. Usually such problems will have very cute answers when they spread it in such a manner. Okay, so let's see this problem. So can I jump a step if you allow me? This becomes AB minus AC minus B square plus BC. Have you understood? A into B is AB minus AC minus B square plus BC. Okay, understood? Let's look at the second one. Okay, the second one will give me what? The second one gives me CA. I'll write it as AC only. Alphabetical. We'll go alphabetical. AC, then minus BC, minus BC, then minus A square plus AB. Then the third one. Third one will give me what, beta? CB, CB, CB minus AB minus C square plus AC. Agreed? Now I take out my red pen and we start looking at some beautiful numbers. AC and AC strike out each other. They are minus. Plus BC minus BC strike out each other. AB makes it 2AB. अच्छा, नीचे वाला minus AB है, so we will take this one and we'll cancel this one. Any further? No other negative term remains. Just see, no negative term remains, right? So we go further and we now start cleaning it up. How do you clean it up? So you've got a negative a square, so this term is gone. You've got a negative b square, so this term is gone. You've got a negative c square, so this term is gone. And then what do you have? You have plus ab plus, I'm writing this as bc and I'm writing this as ca, so that abca it comes. Now to make it more better, you can take a -1 common and it becomes a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is totally up to you, just to make it look beautiful, or else you could have put this and then this. Able to do or stuck up? Three of you together means you all are talking up front. इतना चिपका क्यों बेटा, इतना खाली उधर बैठ आराम से आगे रहा ना, शिफ्ट कर बीच में, उसको बुक दे दिया ना मैं, आप गिवन मैं बुक, व्हाट इज दिस प्रॉब्लम? या hey, you are able to do, your exam is there. Pay attention. Next.
2702 by
2702 by x square, square root of x,
equals to 27.07.
27.07. Right? This is our problem. So what do we do here? We have two ways to do this problem. That is, we can square up on both sides. Okay, let's try it this way. Can I write it 2702 divided by 27.07 is equal to root of x? I have to solve for what? No, what is the question? This is the question. You have to find x. So this is root x, or the root of x is equal to how much? 2702 divided by 27.07. I don't think it should be 27.07, it should be 27.02. And anyways, otherwise the only way you can solve it is that you multiply this with 2702 into 100, then the bottom becomes what? 07. I think this should be 07. Then these two will cancel, this will be 100. The square root of x is equal to 100, x should be equal to 10,000. That's the way you do it. Otherwise, ye katega nahi na. There's no point in giving this problem. Got it? All done? Okay. Now, yes, you heroes, what are you doing? Yadu, you able to do or not? 12A I had asked to do.
Just the textbook.
Why checking the textbook? Because previous class you did not revise, just because we had one gap.
Yeah.
So, what is your first question? Observe the table given below. So, can you tell me the table? Let's see what is the table all about. Okay, let's see what is the table all about. Yeah, first one. Tell me, how many datas are there? 5 datas are there. And on left hand side we have what? X and Y. So this is data number 2, data number 2, data number 3, and data number 4 and 5. Yeah, tell me the datas. This is X, this is Y. 9, 3, 9 then. So you can easily understand it's a 3 times ratio going on. Next one is 8 by 24. But then what is the question they have asked?
Whether x and y proportion.
Okay, and then next one is 26 by 72. You 70, sorry, 8 it will be 78. So you write here, we observe. Hey, you all didn't split so far. I asked you to split there. Yeah, more. We observe 3 upon 9 is equal to 5 upon 15 is equal to 8 upon 24 is equal to 11 upon 33 is equal to 26 upon 78 is equal to how much? 1 upon 3, which is constant. So every ratio is constant. Therefore, x by y is equal to 1 upon 3, which is equal to constant. Hence, x varies directly with y and they are proportional. This is how you do it. Everything is proportional. Have you understood? This is equal to, if you can check 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 11 threes are 36, 26 3, and oh sorry, this is 1 by 3. So everything is 1 upon 3. And what did we understand? That if we had understood in last class, if x varies directly with y, x should be equal to ky, or x by y should always be a constant k. Here in this problem, k is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, x varies directly with y. So many ways you can write. Logic समझ में आ गया, कॉपी करने की कोशिश नहीं करें, बस समझो. Have we understood the problem or not? Right? Can you do the next box problem on your own then? What is the next question?
2.5 by 10.
This is 2.5 by 10. They're asking you the same question. Whether they, so you reduce each fraction. So our next problem, if you're done, can I fill the next problem data here itself? Okay. Okay, I'm not taking off this. I'm doing the next problem with yellow color. Okay, what is it? 2.5 by 10. Next one is
4 by 16.
4 by 16. Next one is 7.5 by. Next is
10 by 40.
10 by 40.
14 by 42.
14 by 42. 14 by 42. तो फेल हो जाएगा. 14 3 is 42. 14 4s are 56. Straight away it fails. 2.5 into 4 times is 10.
4 into 4 is 6.
So this is 4, but this is not 4, na? So here we can write 2.5 by 10 is equal to how much? 1 by 4. See the next ratio? 4 by 16 is equal to 1 by 4, which is matching. 7.5 divided by 30. Now just see how to check it whether it's 1 by 4. 7 3 times is how much? 21. And 0.5 3 times is how much? So it's not. So if you do it by 5, this will be 5 6 is 30, and 5 15 5 is 75. It is 1.5. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. This is 0.5 by 2. So if one also fails, this has failed, you need not do any further. You can straight away say they are not in proportion. Because up to these two, they matched. Even if there is one unmatched, failed. Have you understood? Then do the next part and go to the next part. I want you to go into the word problems as quickly as possible. Did you understand this logic? Did you understand or not? Even if one of the ratio fails to be equivalent with the other, the whole thing is gone. It's like putting one drop of acid in milk. The whole milk is spoiled. Very good. Now go to the word problems. You know word problems, what to do. Ekaksh, in a word problem, similarly, you have to identify two quantities, write them, you know the steps that I said. First question is, you will write what is the given data, then you write the baksa, right? You go to your class note, then that box, and then you formulate the ratios, and then you solve them. If you want, I can help you with one, the third problem. Third is a word problem, right, Agax? What is the word problem about? No, I'm not solving it. I'm just asking, what is the word problem? Can any bacha narrate slowly to me? Yeah.
510 kilometers.
A truck covers a distance. So for me, truck and all are all nonsense. Distance is something that is interesting to me. Okay. Okay, whatever kilometers.
34 liters of diesel.
In 34 liters of diesel. So I will always write distance is directly proportional to quantity of fuel. Yes or no? This is the catch for me. Distance is directly proportional to fuel quantity. Quantity fuel is not the right English. It should be fuel quantity. ये catch है पूरे problem में. Okay. So I will write here. This is directly proportional to fuel quantity. Once I'm done with this, my next step would be what, bacha? Tell me. My next step would be to draw the box. Okay. Then I'll make my box. In my box, there will be always two scenarios only. So let's make the two scenarios like this. What have they asked you to find out? Tell me that.
To find out the y-coordinate.
No. What have they asked to find out?
Find out the distance.
To find out? That's to find out. That's it. So whatever they have asked to find out, please write that on top. You will understand why. Distance. And please write the unit also. Distance kilometer. And obviously here we will have quantity fuel. And this is in liters. Is it did not, children? And you make out. Why I made you write out? Remember what is to be found out. ये देखो यहाँ पे ये याद रखो. Always remember. Then your one step simplification gets reduced. Here you should always put what is asked. And I'll show you why it will make your life easy. Now, Anay, can you tell me the data? What was the first distance they've said? 510 kilometers. How much of diesel did you burn for that? 34 liters. Next time, how much of diesel are you burning? 20 liters of diesel you are burning. Now you yourself think, rather than solving the problem, next stairs. 34 liter mein we went this much. Now we have become miser. We are spending only 20 liters. How much kilometers will go? Less than this only. So our answer cannot be more than this. Directly reading na, jitna jaoge, utna petrol jayega. Yahan pe petrol khatam, you are not spending that much. If you don't spend, you won't go that much. But I don't know how much it did. Can I put it as X? Yes. Now, so step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 is use the proportionality. So what do I write? 50 by 34 should be equal to X upon 20. Are you fine? And if you are a little bit smart, you can actually not write it this way. You can reduce one more step. You write X first. X by 20 is equal to 510 by 34. Can we write this? Now it is a linear equation problem. X is equal to 510 into 20 divided by 34. Right. Now how to do this simplification quickly? Just see. If you know the table of 17, 17 2 times is 34 and 17 3 times is 51, and this 0 comes just like that. And 2 you take away with this 2, 15 times is 30. 15 multiplied by 2 is how much? 30. And one more 0, so 300. See. What divide by 20? It's done. 17 2 34, 17 3 51. And then 15 remains. So obviously we are going less kilometers. So we have found the value of it. Therefore, now we have to release our answer. X was your assumption. So on your fourth step, you say distance of 300 kilometers would be covered with how much? 30 liters, no, 20 liters, 20 liters of diesel. Very good. 20 liters of diesel. Use this same concept to solve. Yadu, now it is getting clear to you? Don't keep things pending between two classes. Arey, our friend has joined. Friend, we are doing 12A exercise, okay? I just solved this one. Anyways, we are recording it also. You be cool, eat something. You've just come from outside, have water, eat. Nothing is running away. So take it absolutely cool. If you don't understand, I'm there to help. Which one? Second question is what? What is the question they've asked you? X and Y are directly proportional. Find the missing numbers. See, you cannot do the problem only in my class. Then you will never understand. In 1 week, did you touch this chapter? Tell me honestly. Then I can't help you. I will not like to help also. Because if that is the thing, then you are not being serious. First thing is that I don't know, somewhere your and my communication has to be quick. What I send to grandma sees it once in a time. Because your and me, the only difference with others is that communication is not quick. So if the communication is not quick, you don't see anything. You are taking it lightly. You think that you love coming here, but you are liking to come here not to meet me or friends. You're coming here to learn. And if you're not adding value, and you're not coming here free of cost, you're paying me to come here. Don't come for enjoyment. Now you have to come to study also. Because grandma is thinking by putting you here, her attention is gone. He is going to a place, he has got place what he is liking. No, I'm not for your liking. You may dislike me, but if you learn, that is more important. But in 1 week, you did not do anything. Did you ever go through the light chapter from your book, your textbook itself? Did you study? No. So what are you doing? You're bringing one prism to my class. We are not in science museum. If you are not learning, you don't go through videos. So when it's now almost a month that you will be, half of a month gone, you are with me. Even before coming, I'm so surprised why your grandma did not make you see those videos. I had sent her saying that please see these videos. You know, on the whole world, do I need to teach you how to see YouTube? No. Then, if this is your attitude, I will not be able to keep you. I'm again saying, because the problem is what, I won't take the blame later on that he is not getting marks. You getting marks is nowhere my insurance policy. This is not a policy where you put money and you will get this much in return. I go by the marks. If everyone scores and you are not scoring, there is problem not with me. There's problem with you. And the way you are studying, I'm upfront telling you, you will not score. Because is it that you are idiot? No, you have got super brains with you. You don't wish to use them. That's the only difference between, see, you are coming here and gossiping with him, right? He is also gossiping with you. But the difference between you two is what, he is going home and studying. You are not studying. That is where is the difference. I drew those lines and angles and also showed. You are not doing. You are taking it as a fun life. And then you will repent like anything when it will come to grade 10. All the children who are in grade 10 in my class now were once upon a time in grade 8. Similarly, you will also once upon a time go in grade 10. At that time, you will only repent that you had brains, but still you could not perform. I still say you have superb intellect, but you have a lot of negative intellect. You use your brains for unwanted things, which is not good. You don't want to, you mix with, how many times did you sit with Sarvesh or Rayan or sense that, Sarvesh, you are very friendly with him now. Show me where sir keeps on saying, that man keeps on saying video. Where are the videos here? Show me. Have you ever asked him? Then why don't you know where the videos are? He is not supposed to show you. It's your hunger. You need water. Why will he bring water? He can show you where the well is. You are supposed to go and drink there. How did he came from a football class? How did he join? Look at him. He looks tired. He has joined the class, right? That's called dedication. He's in his football jersey only. You can see. Look, he looks tired. That's why I am myself saying, eat something, drink something. I will. And tomorrow, if Sarvesh comes with this problem to me, right? Like the way you are asking me, I'm unable to do, I will do a very bad thing with you. In front of you, I will explain him very lovingly so that it creates more hatred for me in you. Why I'll explain him lovingly? Because he is trying to climb up the wall. So I will extend my hand. You are below the wall dancing like this. And then suddenly when water is coming, you are asking, sir, give your hand. I will put a lot of oil in my hand and I'll give my hand. Come up. Got it? Tomorrow this fellow comes and asks me a question, I'll explain him superbly. I don't have chocolates, otherwise one hand with dairy milk in his mouth and I'll explain. So much of stepmotherly treatment I'll give him in front of you. But had you come from the football class today, you would have never joined the class. And how can you join? You'd never know only where the link is. Okay, good. I need such students. They build my earnings of the month. In finance, we call these children as cash cows. Ah, this is my cash cow. So nice, na? There's no guarantee. I never give guarantee. Still, teaching में कोई guarantee नहीं होता है. Guarantee is there in TV and all. है ना अभी क्या? How can I give guarantee whether what marks you will get? I give guarantee only for what I'm teaching. And then I get dedicated children, hardworking children, children wanting to learn, children wanting to improve, and I get some very good. That is called cash cow. But my problem is what, by next month I will say the cow, please cow, look for some other stable. This stable we will not know, because I cannot take bad name to me. Very, very, very particular. Because next year the students will come based on how you all do. And then, oh, we sent one child here. Hey, what he taught? He was getting 20 earlier. Now he's getting 5. So why do I keep you?
Sir?
Yes, sir. And the fifth question, 8 minutes. Emne, I will not read. You will slowly read, and we will try to hunt the two heroine first. Tell me, what is the fifth question? A loaded truck, okay. Covers. So, hold. We have found hero. Hero has been found. Distance. वो छोड़ो अभी. Distance is one hero. Let's look for the heroine. Covers a distance.
Distance 16 kilometers. 35 minutes.
In 35 minutes. 1 minute. Heroine has been found. Or whatever it is. Heroine we want. Bus. Distance is directly proportional to time. If I want to travel to my own city, my time is less. If I want to travel to Pune, my time is more, because I'm traveling more distance. Agreed or not? Yes. Very good. Acha, by the way, have you ever had sandwiches in a place called Marzorin in Pune? Are, go and tell mom or dad to once. That used to be, that is. No, I'm saying about a food joint. It is in Jangli Maharaj Road in Pune, and it is always famous. Marzorin, Marzorin. You go and say Marzorin pizzas and Marzorin sandwiches, fries, grilled chicken sandwich. It is Pune's famous, not from today, for last 30, 35, 40 years. Marzorin, Marzorin. You can write Marzorin sandwich. Okay. Distance is directly proportional. Pune is famous for two things. One is margarine sandwich. One is Shrewsbury biscuits, also known as Kayani Bakery. Okay. Shrewsbury biscuits are very tasty, all sugary. So distance is directly proportional to time. Now what we do? We make our baksa. Now let's see our baksa, and slowly we will hunt our problem. Okay. So this is our baksa, and in our baksa we will be making our columns. So there will be two scenarios always. The two scenarios. Okay. Now question comes. We should find, what have they asked us to find? What is the? Okay. So distance they have asked. So let us write distance on the top. And distance is in kilometers. That is kilometers. And this is time. Now they have tried to trick you in time by giving one time in minute and one time in hour. Yes or no? Yes. So you tell me, you want to solve it in hours or you want to solve it in minutes? I am putting the choice on you. You want to solve it in minutes? Okay, very good. So tell me the first data. What is the first distance? 16 means 1/6. Enta time? Time? 25 minutes. Okay, very good. So our boy wants to solve it in minutes. Very good. Okay. Then? I don't know what is the distance. Time is how much?
5 hours will be.
So we will write 5 hours, which is equal to 300 minutes. Is it equal? 5 into 60, and I'm writing it with a different pen. I'm writing it with a different pen. If you were interested in hour, okay, if you were interested in hour, then this would be in hour. That is, we would have written 5, and here we would have written 25 by 60. 25 minutes is 25 by 60 hours. But kaiko fraction karne ka, so better was to actually do the problem in terms of what? In terms of minutes. Minutes will give you better. But our job is done now, minutes. So now we can correlate. But again, when we correlate here also, we will try to bring the x term on the first, so it will make your job easy. X by 300 is equal to 16 by 25. Do not do any katakati, we'll do all together. X is equal to 16 into 300 divided by 25. Okay, look at me. 25 multiplied by 4 gives me 100. 25 multiplied by 8 will give me 200. 25 multiplied by 12 will give me 300. Very good, children. 12. And 12 into 6 is how much? 72. 7 carry over. 12 ones are 12 plus 7. 19. So obviously you see, in 25 minutes, you are covering 16 kilometers. Look at the problem, then you'll get the beauty. So you have increased your time. Obviously the distance has also increased. So we will write here, or how much did you get? X equal to 192 kilometers. So drop your answer now. So we will say truck will cover a distance of 190, okay, 192 kilometer. Acha, be very anay. Kilometer in, don't write 300 minutes, because in the question it was hours. So we will write in 5 hours. Your teacher will not get any chance to deduct a single mark. Rather will say, what a nice boy he is. Very good. Abhigya madam, ठीक है तो? बस. Sarvesh darling? All okay? Very good. यादू भाई? क्या भाई? सब ठीक ठाक? Second means that block problem. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. Not an issue. Tell me, why are you stuck in the second one? Okay, let me make the blocks. No, don't worry. Our doubts need to be clear. Okay. Don't go half-hearted. How many data, Yadu, tell me? How many datas? How many datas? You tell me in the column. 5 datas. Okay, 5 datas. Okay. 5. Okati, rendu, mooru, nalgu, aidu. Okay. So we have got an X. We have got an Y. Okay, tell me the row first.
3. X1.
Okay.
X2.
Okay.
10.
Hey, you can't read or what? Have you become what? You can't read numbers. 3 X1.
10. Oh wait, I think you made an extra column.
Hey, I'll hit you one. You said 5 columns. I made 5 columns. You don't need.
I counted the X in division.
Hey, when did you wake up today?
6:37.
7 means his time 7. Our time 8:30 he has woken up. Okay. Okay, X2, the next one number is?
10.
10.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then tell me this.
72.
Okay.
120.
Okay.
192.
Okay.
Y1.
How much? Y1.
Yeah.
Y1. Okay. Now this is it. The problem, it is given that X varies directly with Y. Given X varies directly with Y. So we can say X upon Y should be equal to constant. Yes or no? And that means X upon Y should be equal to 3 by 72, should be equal to X1 by 120, should be equal to X2 by 192, should be equal to 10 by Y1. Our job becomes easy. So this particular fellow will give me what is the constant number. How much is it? 72 means 24, right? So we will write, and then you can use these two equations. You write X1 by 120 is equal to how much? 3 by 72. Have you understood this? I've just used these two. So you can find the value of x1, 3 into 120 divided by 72. So 72 means by how much? 24, right? 24 means 12. So this will leave a 12, 10, 12 2s are 24, 2 5s are 10. So x1's value has been found out as 5. Agreed, darling? So this is equal to 5. Now you can use these two as a ratio and solve the problem further. Yeah. So what will we do? We can now write x1 by 120 should be equal to x2 by 192. So x1's value you know, so you can write x2 by 192 equal to x1 by 120, or x2 by 192 is equal to how much is x1? 5 by 120. So thereafter you can solve it. You can find x2. So let's see what is the value of x2. So we'll write or x2 is equal to 192 into 5 divided by 120. So how much is it? 5, 2, 10, 5, 4, 20. Agreed?
Yes.
Yeah. And this is how much? 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 16, 32. 8 4s are 32. 3 8s are 24. That means we have found this value as 8. Now you take these two and solve it. You do on your own now. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next time, in between 1 week, since you have been good, that's why I have given you this advantage. Otherwise, whatever I told Abhiyan applies to you. In front of you, I will give proper stepmotherly caring, means stepmotherly treatment I'll give you. And I'll give proper caring treatment to somebody. You didn't understand. Have a dairy milk and I explain you. Sir, I also didn't. I'll give you that treatment. Understood? If you see, you all are actually in a yard where there are a lot of hungry lions, and I'm the only one who is standing outside the wall, and I can pull you out. The more you show agility and you put your hand, sir, save me, I will save you. If you don't study in 1 week and you say, save me, I will put a lot of oil here. Come. You know, hold my hand. And if it is Yadu, by that time, lion will first bite his shorts or trouser. Then scenario you see, he is struggling on my slippery hand, lion on his trouser is half down. The scenario will be such spectacular. Huh? Not why poor guy who asked him not to study 1 week. That time he felt that he's the richest guy. Now let the lion eat his trousers. And I will rather tell the lion, hey lion, please take the trousers. Lion, you are nude, you need to wear something. So lion will take his trousers. Enjoy life, you know. I am crook of crooks. Very, with no condition of care or what you call mercy in me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me, Sarvesh, what is your doubt? I'll solve you. I'll solve your problem. Tell Sarvesh. Which question?
The 9.
9th question. So let us first read the question and hunt for hero and heroine first. Okay, tell me. Let's read the question.
Model of a ship.
1 minute. In a
Model of a ship.
model of a ship. Okay, so there is something called actual size and there is something called model. Don't you think actual size and model should always be what you call proportional to each other? Yes. So we will say an actual size is always directly proportional. This is what I'm thinking. Yeah, go. In a model of a ship. Yeah, go.
The mast is 9 centimeters.
The mast is 9 centimeter height. So I can make it a little bit more better now. And I can say actual height is always directly proportional to model height. Have you understood? You know, the model car mast, you know where the flag is actually hung. So actual ship, the mast is big. When I'm making a model, obviously the mast will come down. So this is understood. So now let us make our baksa. 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 So let's make our baksa. 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 Okay. So here we can now add our datas, blah blah, and tla tla. So what do we write? We write here actual height, and here we can write model height. Okay, now let's hear from you. In a model of a ship, go ahead now.
The mast is 9 centimeters.
The mast is 9 centimeter high. This is, you are saying, in a model. So we are writing this in centimeters. The mast is 9 centimeter. Very good.
While the mast of the actual ship is 50 meters.
While the height is 15 meters. So here also we will go with centimeters. And here we will write 15 meters is equal to 1500 centimeters. Is it correct or not? 1 centimeter, 1 meter is 100. Have you understood? Okay, next part.
If the length of the ship is 35 meters.
Oh, if the length of the ship is 35 meters. So something that I did wrong here was I did not ask what have they asked to find out, because it is better to write the find out part on the top. So let us just somersault it. Give me 1 minute, bacha. So I will write model. So we will write something like this: model dimension, and we will write actual dimension. This is the better word. I'll tell you why. Because finally they are not asking you to find out height. So we will write actual dimension and we will make it as model. English has to be good. Otherwise, dimension, and this is model dimension. Okay, dimension. So we found that the model dimension, we are trying to solve everything in centimeters. So when this was 9 and this also in centimeters, it was how much? 15. So this becomes 1500. And you can just write here 1 meter is equal to 100. No, not 1000, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So you can write here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So teacher thinks that this boy knows everything. Now tell me, what is the actual length of the ship?
35 meters.
So this becomes 3500 centimeters, right? And they have asked you to find out what is the model length of the ship. Sarvesh, darling, are we clear now?
Yeah.
So in our Sarvesh, did you understand better? So this is X by, if you didn't understand, do tell me, I'll get some dairy milk and explain you. Is somebody hearing this? Is he or she feeling J? You feel J? I can't help you because I love to make people feel J, because my name is J. So this goes away. And 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15, 5 sevens are 35, which is 21 centimeters. So we will write this is what Sarvesh will not do. He hates all this thing. The model dimension for length is equal to 35 centimeter. That's it. If you have clarity at every step, every night. अभी क्या लाइट जला लेना बेटू, लाइट नहीं जलाए तो डार्कनेस में काम कर रही है. हाँ, अच्छा. कौन सा? Oh, 21 centimeter. I'm so sorry, Bita. I was loving the child too much, you know. So I forgot the actual dimension because in my mind, the cruelty was prevailing more. Yeah. 1 minute, huh? Let me do his fourth and then. Fourth one. Can you read the question, please? Let's try to identify first hero, heroine. Tell me.
A taxi charges a fare of 2,000.
So, fare is one word that I am getting so far. Hero.
2,000 and a journey of 150 kilometers.
Okay, fare and distance. It's a fair distance. Fair deal. Fare and distance. Don't you think they're directly proportional? Nobody's your friend that is going to give you a free lift. The more you travel, the more money you pay. Clear? Fare and distance. So let's make our baksa. So this is our baksa. And obviously in our baksa, we will have a kaksha. Yeah. So what have they asked us to find out?
How much would it charge?
How much would it charge? So fare is to be found out. So we'll write fare on top. So fare, I'm putting it in rupees. Obviously, we're not in answers to market the dollars out here. And I put distance. And the distance would be in kilometers. Okay, can you fill the data for me?
Fare is 2,500.
2,550. How much did you go?
150.
150. Fare is unknown. How much do you wish to travel? 1?
120.
So obviously you decided you want to travel less distance, so you'll be paying less at the end of the day. Your answer should be less than this because you're traveling less distance. So fare is directly proportional to distance. So you now take your ratio, x upon 124 should be equal to 2550 divided by 150. Understood? So your x becomes equals to 2550 multiplied by 124 divided by 150. We first take away the 0 and the 0. Then 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15, 10. 15, 7 is 105. 17 multiplied by 124. That's your job. Sir never does all this hard work. I need bunnies for that. 21. Yes, my bunnies have calculated it as 2108 kilometers. So I say that a fare of rupees 2108 would be charged for a travel of 124 kilometers. That's it. We're done with the problem. Right? Again, you are copying. You try to do it on your own. What is there to copy? You have understood. Try to do it on your own. This is anyway getting recorded. Oh, recorded does not make sense to you. Yeah. Yes, number 11. Yeah. Tell me. 11. Somebody needs to read the question. When you hunt hero and heroine. Speed. We have heard something called speed from your mouth. Speed. Okay. Then. Okay. So how much distance will it travel in 1 hour? 12 minutes. Now there's a catch in this problem, right? So finally they have asked you to find out what? Distance. And when they are asking you to find out this distance, they are relating it with time. Please understand. In how much distance will it cover in so and so time? If you look at these two quantities, then they are always directly proportional. You increase the distance time. But speed and distance are not directly proportional. They are inversely proportional, because the more you jack up your speed, the less time you will take. So let's now take some data. Okay. Finally, our hero heroine is not speed. Our hero heroine in this problem is always distance and time. Okay. But there is a catch out here. Let's see. Our hero heroine is distance is directly proportional to time. Have we understood? So let's make our baksa and put a kaksha inside it. So this is my baksa, and let's put the kaksha, this one, and I have this, I have this. So I would write distance. Okay. What is the question they have asked to find out? How much distance, right? So distance is on top and time is at the bottom. What is the time? What is the unit they have said? How much time? Finally, how much time? Read the last line. 1 hour 12 minutes. Again, interesting. So we would write here that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Do you understand, bacha? So we will do our problem in minutes. That will give us an easy way to find out. So 1 hour, they have asked us in 1 hour. Look at this problem. Again, you will also, when I'm doing a problem, everyone look at it, because you will again land up a problem. In 1 hour, 12 minutes. 1 hour, 12 minutes is 72 minutes. Do you agree? So in 72 minutes, how much distance will I cover? This is what has been asked. But I need to fill these two data also. That data has been twisted for you. Now read the question from first. Very good. The car is traveling with an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Again, it is in hour. Okay, right, fine. Then,
How much distance will it travel?
okay, 50 kilometers per hour. This is the trick they are doing with you. You are reading it as 50 kilometers per hour, but I read it what you know. I read it in 1 hour, car covers 50 kilometers. This is what I read it. This is what they tried to trick me. This is what I read. 50 kilometers per hour means what? In 1 hour, 50 kilometers. Can we now put that data here? So I would write my distance in kilometers as what, beta? 50. And the time is 1 hour, 60. Bas, job done. Now what do? I write x upon 72 is equal to 50 by 60, or x is equal to 50 into 72 divided by 60. Don't be a moron. Just take away these. 12 6 are 72. 12 5 are 60 kilometers. So you can write in 1 hour 12 minutes distance traveled or covered would be equal to how much? 60 kilometers. Check the problem and try to see whether you have understood or not. They have done two tricks in this problem. One is they have jumbled on unit. Always remember, units are like वो movie में कहते हैं ना, रिश्तेदारी बराबर वालों में होती है. Problem हमेशा बराबर unit में होता है. If the units are up down, then the problem will go for a toss. First, make sure your units are same. For the row, if this is kilometer, this should be kilometer. This cannot be in meters. If this is R, this should be R. So first thing is, they first told us, now if I try to go with this problem directly with R's, it will become a little bit trouble. I will write 50 and 1. Here it will be 1 hour 12 minutes. 1 hour 12 minutes, do you know how to convert to hours? Let's check. How to convert 1 hour 12 minutes? It will be like this. See, 1 hour, it is like this. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Do you agree? We have to convert it into hours. Can I write this? And is very, very nonsense. Nonsense. 1 hour plus 12 minutes. Can I write? 1 hour can I write is 1. 12 minutes can I write as 12 by 60. So this becomes what? 60 plus 12 divided by 60, which is 72 by 60. 6 tens are 60, 6 12s are 72, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So it's 6 by 5 hours. If you would like to do this problem in hours, the problem would be this is 1. This is how much? 6 by 5. Your answer will come same. You want to check? And same, the 6 by 5 hi to aaya na. So your answer would be in that case, x divided by 6 by 5 is equal to 50 divided by 1. You agreed? Very good. Then what do we do? X equal to 6 by 5 multiplied by 50 by 1. You agreed? 5 tens are 50. 10 into 6 is 60. Answer is correct. Doesn't matter how you do, as long as your concept is correct, your answer will come correct. But I suggest, rather than going like this, make it in minutes. But if you do in minutes, there is one more challenge. You have to convert here. Here we are getting it in article, so we have to convert everything in minutes. Did you understand? Did you understand the whole problem? No, this one did you understand? Yeah. Means in yellow format you understood? In white format you understood? Very good. Which one you didn't understand? Oh, 10th, we have overshot on time. Okay, we'll do the 10th one and we'll release you. Just quickly, the 10th one. Quick. The last problem.
In 8 days, the Earth picks up 6.4
In 8 days. So I'm seeing time as one of the hero.
and it picks up 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 kg of dust.
Okay, and time versus quantity. Obviously, more is the time, more dust you will pick up. So quantity and time are directly proportional. Let's make our baksa quickly. Baksa, then we will make one kaksa in our baksa. Okay, what is to be found out? Hey, quick.
How much dust will be?
How much dust means quantity is to be found out. So what do? I put quantity on the top and I put time out here. Time was given in what, beta? Days.
Days.
So days. Okay, tell me first data. In 8 days.
In 8 days,
Yes.
6.4 into 10 to the power of 7.
6.4 into 10 to the power of 7. What, my head or your head? Yes, sir. What is the unit?
Kg.
Kg. So this is in kg. Okay. Next.
8 days.
15 days.
X.
So this is 15. This is x. So our data will be x by 15 is equal to 6.4. See, looking at 6.4, you should get happy. 8 into 8 is 64. 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 8, or x is equal to 15 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 8. Now, how do you do this problem? In order to make it easy, you can do like this: 15 into 64. So you have made it 6.4, you have made 64. So you reduce the 10's power by 1 because you have taken 110 here. So 8 is 64, 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120 into 10 to the power 6. But this is not scientific notation. Scientific notation will be 1.2 into 10 to the power 8 kg. So let us see. We were this much in 8 days. In 15 days, we will be more. And this is what is more. So we will write in 8 days. Picks up 1.2. Our next class. Our next class. Very good. In our next class of mathematics, obviously not tomorrow, next Wednesday, we'll go with inverse proportion. Class ends here. Thank you all for joining. Catch you. Okay, hey, shares, be careful. Shares. Bye-bye.